How to fix iOS 12 software update failed error. Option 1, close and try again, tap on close, go to settings, tap on general and then software update later. Option 2, wait for few hours or days. Note, back up your iDevice, reclaim enough storage space. Here's how at https://goo.gl/hi7afd. Option 3, try updating via iTunes. To do that, install the latest version of iTunes on your computer. Connect your iOS-based device to your computer. Open iTunes, log in your Apple ID, and select your device that you want to update. Click Summary, then click Check for Update. Option 4, restart your Wi-Fi device, if any. Option 5, reset the network settings on your iOS device, open Settings General Reset Network Settings. Option 6, reboot your iPhone or iPad. For advanced users only, Option 7, download IPSW file. Download the most current IPSW file at https://ipsw.me or https://iosninja.io. Plan B, see the official downloads, iPhone X, https://goo.gl/ncrfmv. iPhone 8 and iPhone 7, https://goo.gl/i9yadx. iPhone 8 Plus and iPhone 7 Plus, https://goo.gl/qxqgft. iPhone SE and iPhone 5S, https://goo.gl/xl60. iPhone 6S and iPhone 6, https://goo.gl/k8w337. iPhone 6S Plus and iPhone 6 Plus, https://goo.gl/cp71ck. iPad Pro 10.5 and iPad Pro 12.9, second generation https://goo.gl/3zd6x. iPad 5 and iPad 6, https://goo.gl/mlrgbw. iPad Mini 4, iPad Air 2, iPad Mini 3, https://goo.gl/yupzvc. iPad Pro 9.7 inch, https://goo.gl/rzbqlh. iPad Pro 12.9, first generation https://goo.gl/y9cktl. iPad Air and iPad Mini 2, https://goo.gl/fbx3h. iPod Touch, https://goo.gl/qb92ax. Open iTunes, and connect your iPhone to computer. In the summary, you should see the Restore iPhone button. Hold down the Shift key and click on Restore iPhone. Select the downloaded IPSW file.